Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Pondicherry location. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for assistant storekeeper position. It is from Fundamental Technologies for Pondicherry location, and salary is not disclosed here for this position, and they are looking for any graduate candidates with minimum 2 years of experience, and also it is for both male and female candidates, so both candidates are eligible to apply for this position. And coming to skills, you should be having working knowledge of Tally or Excel. It will be preferred for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to if you are suitable to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is hrfunda2020@gmail.com, and also I'll provide this mail id in the description as well. Next, there is a job opening for accountant position from Fundamental Technologies. It is for Pondicherry location. Here salary is not disclosed for this position. So they are looking for degree candidates. So any degree candidates are eligible for this position, and it is for both male and female candidates. So you should be having knowledge in Tally, Excel, emailing or letter writing. So you should be having these skills provided here. And coming to responsibilities, you need to coordinate with bank for limits or LCRBC, and to process payroll, and you need to maintain accounts on Tally and prepare cash flow statements or budgets, and prepare P and L statement, petty cash register, follow up on payments or C forms, vendor payments, bank reconciliation statement, and you need to submit weekly or monthly or quarterly report. So these are the responsibilities. So please go through with the information provided here. If you are suitable to apply for this position, if you are okay with the here mentioned the details, so you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is hrfunda2020@gmail.com. Next, there is a job opening for accountant position from Fundamental Technologies, and they are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 rupees per month, and fresher candidates and as well as the 3 years of experienced candidates both are eligible for this position, and should have done mechanical engineering in DME or BTech or BE. So diploma in mechanical engineering or else BTech in mechanical engineering. So they are preferring these candidates for this position, and it is for both male and female candidates. So they are giving a preference to the candidates from around in and around Pondicherry location. So coming to responsibilities, the candidate should be having knowledge in material standards like ASTM or ASME or BIS, and also knowledge for handling and uses for various measuring instruments, and should be able to read, comprehend and interpret engineering drawings, and maintain documentation, and should be well versed in English or Tamil or Hindi. So it will be optional. So interested candidates, you please check with the details provided here, and if you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is hrfunda2020@gmail.com, and I will also provide this mail id in the description as well. Next, there is a job opening from HDB Financial Services. So they have vacancies for executive position for gold loans, and it is for Pondicherry location, and salary is not disclosed here for this position. So they are looking for graduate candidates with 1 to 6 years of experience is required, and it is for both male and female candidates. And coming to skills, you should be having knowledge in gold appraising, and also you should be having good communication skills. So these are the skills provided here, so it will be required. And coming to responsibilities details, customer support or service as required, and you need to coordinate with the central telecalling team for collections or follow up for payments from overdue borrowers and coordinate with the branch sales team and support BSM or SMs for lead conversion and telecalling or follow-up on leads given by sales team and corporate office, update valuation details in system that is Gold portal and loan booking system and ensure loan processing completed within stipulated that. So these are the responsibilities and you can also check here with the all the details provided here, and if you want to know more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the official website link provided here where you will get a further details about this job vacancy, and I will also provide this link in the description as well for your reference. Next, there is a job opening for sales executive position from Heritage Foods Limited. So it is for Pondicherry location. Salary is best in the industry, and they are looking for graduation candidates and as well as post graduation candidates with 2 to 4 years of experience in FMCG. So they are preferring only for male candidates. So you should be having knowledge in gold appraising, and also you should be having good communication skills to apply for this position. And coming to responsibilities, you need to achieve the sales targets and expansion of distribution networks, regular collection of sales realization and reconciliation of outstanding, and responsible to organize logistics and timely distribution of milk products, and you need to conduct market intelligence and identify the gaps in market, promote and extend the ice cream parlors business in the area of operation, monitoring, controlling and collecting the crates on time, and effective control and minimize the leakages and damages. So these are the responsibilities, and you can also check with all the details provided here about this job vacancy, and if you are suitable to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is vijaykumar.j@heritagefoods.in, and I'll also provide this mail id in the description as well for your reference. Next, there is a job opening for senior marketing executive position from Prompt Trade Fades 1 Private Limited, and it is for Pondicherry location, and they are going to offer a salary range between 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. And coming to responsibilities details, you need to take lead generation, cold callings to the constructions industry clients, and briefing them about CNI referral marketing forum concepts and also its benefits, maintain prospects leads and convert them as their member, and going for meetings for client membership to their CNI forum, and PPT presentation making and presenting it in the associate meets, and you need to coordinate with the teams and team head to achieve respective team target and the individual target. So and developing new ideas and strategies for business development. So these are the responsibilities. You please check with the information provided here, and if you are interested to know more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can also refer or browse in the official website link provided here, and I'll also provide this link in the description as well for your reference. Next, there is a job opening for project manager position. It is for e-learning or interactive learning. It is from Integra Software Services for Pondicherry location, and the salary will be between 8 lakhs to 14 lakhs per annum, and this will be the annual salary. And coming to responsibilities, you need to communicate with the overseas client to understand their e-learning requirements, and you need to estimate the scope, time and cost of e-learning projects, develop effective project scope and deliverables, and to work with the team of IDs, GDs and MDs, editors, CTEs and web developers, manage and monitor project team on a daily or weekly basis, communicate effectively with the team members and stakeholders, internal and clients, conduct effective project meetings, presenting weekly status reports to management and client, and deliver quality e-learning projects within the assigned time and the cost. So these are the responsibilities, and you can also check with the information provided here. And for if you are interested for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is john.xavier@integra.co.in, and I will also provide this mail id in the description as well for your reference. Next, there is a job opening for project management executive position from Integra Software Services, and salary is not disclosed here for this position, and you please go through with the responsibilities provided here, and for more detailed information like other details you can visit this website link provided here, and I'll also provide this link in the description as well for your reference. Next, there is a job opening for project manager or senior project manager. It is for journals, and it is from Integra Software Services for Pondicherry location, and the salary is not disclosed here for this position. So hope you'll check with the responsibilities as well. So you can also check with the other details provided here, and for more detailed information you can visit in the website link provided here, that is https://integra nxt integranext.com/cates/. So I'll also provide this link in the description as well for your reference. Next, there is a job opening for peer review administrator position from Integra Software Services, and for this position qualification will be you should have done PhD in life science or health science or medicine, and also Bachelor of Dental Surgery BDS, and as well, and also Master of Dental Surgery MDS. So these are the qualification details, and fresher candidates are also eligible, as well as 3 years of experienced candidates are also eligible for this position, and you please check with the responsibilities provided here, and for more detailed information you can visit in the official website link provided, and I'll also provide this link in the description as well for your reference. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.